Previously on... You guys! Oh my god, and today's Father's Day! Oh my god, I could cry! You guys want some rags? Come down to Honest Eds, 49 cents. The perks of shopping at Honest Eds. That's why Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Thank you. Hi. Oh, it's not good lighting. That's okay. Just say hello. Hi. Hi. So we're going back to Honest. My sister is sending us back to pick up some stuff. And that's what we're gonna do. And then come home. I just uploaded a vlog, so you guys go check it out. What is it called again? Subliminally. I can say it now. Subliminally. It's not that hard. I couldn't say it in the car. That's why I called it Subliminally. So yeah, go check it out. She was buying shoes while trying on shoes. And yeah, very interesting. Only Tasia would bring snacks. Sometimes I'm not good. On the bus. I'd say that one. Only she would bring snacks on the bus, but yeah, that's cool, I guess. Tell me something new. I'm hungry. That's not nothing new. So anyways, yeah guys, stay tuned for this crazy journey. It's always a crazy journey. Hopefully we'll have to cut out no cashiers today. And they don't overcharge us. Charge us $9 for a plastic bag today. Because ain't no turning back today. Did you take the money? Bye. Seriously. Sup guys, didn't get to show you guys Honest Eds because we just got in and got out. How's your pizza? It's okay. Yeah? It tastes alright actually. It needs something though. Like maybe like more sauce or more cheese, you know? Like yeah, like it just needs something. But it's okay for $6.25. Although we could have gone to Domino's and got it cheaper. We could have got it for $5.65. I don't know where one is around here, but could have got it for $5.65. They have a $4.99 walk-in, one topping medium pizza. And pizza has one topping, $4.95, I think it is. First time for today that I'm ooh, look at that lighting though. Say hi to the twins. Lonnie, say hi for the vlog. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Sean. Say hi. Say hi. I swear he loves the camera, but he's so nervous. He's so shy at the same time. But anyways, it is Thursday, June the 23rd. It's Thursday, June the 23rd. First time I'm putting on my camera for today, but something so exciting happened today. I met this girl on a bus and she stopped me and she was like, "Is your name Zoisha?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she was like, "I watch your vlog." So I met my first subscriber / supporter and it was so cool. I cried. So Tashika, I wasn't vlogging at the time because like I said, I was on the bus. So yeah, and I didn't really want to pull it out. It was so awkward because it was the first time it was happening. So I wasn't sure, like, should I hug her, kiss her, jump on her? I didn't really know what to do or say. So yeah, thank you so much for supporting and continuing to watch my content. And thank you very much for saying hi. If anybody ever sees me, say hello. I think I'm gonna get better over time with how to greet you guys and stuff like that. So, you know, just stay with me. And yeah, it was such a cool experience. I'm so happy that that happened to me. Even if it only happened to me like once in my life, I can at least say I met somebody who watched my videos on YouTube. So it's so cool. So that made my day. And then yeah, I picked up the twins from daycare, and
Bye, Felicia.
and then I met somebody that I never knew I had an issue with, but apparently there's an issue now because they speak with people that I don't speak with anymore. Yes? You see? That's all he wants to do, just open up his mouth. But if it was Snapchat, I don't know if by the time I put up this vlog, he'll be in some snaps, but whenever Snapchat comes on and he sees that flash, he's automatically, I gotta be in the car. Say something, talk to them, talk to them. Here, talk to them. Talk to them.
No.
No, talk to them. Say hi, my name is Lonnie.
Hi.
Say my name is Lonnie.
Hi.
Say my name is Lon. Say my name is Lonnie.
Name.
Name, Lonnie. Say Lonnie. Say Lonnie. Say Lonnie. Say Lonnie. Say Sean. And see the parents. So yeah, like I said hi to the girl and she didn't say nothing back.
I'm 10.
Yeah, you look really black actually.
I'm so 10. What
Yeah,
happened?
you look really dark. You look really dark.
When I came from Jamaica, I got so dark. People must think I'm bleaching. But it's actually because
I'm tan, and look at me like.
Oh my god, you know saying to wear sunscreen? Like what one?
Yeah, so for you guys who, I don't even remember if you guys remember that time when I was making pizza with that
God.
Taliban, or not Taliban, but she tied up her face with the pink bandana. Yeah.
Jesus God, no many soft filter than this. Let me get to black man.
But anyways, like I was saying before I was interrupted by the twins and their parents, I said hi to the girl and she looked for me like me do something to her. So I don't know how me and her in a something now because somebody else and me not in a nothing. You understand? So I not really rate people like that who have to take up other people's problem on them chest. Because I am not like that. This is not high school. We are all adults living our own separate lives. So if me have a problem with A, B, C, D, E, and the rest of the alphabet should not care. Okay? Okay. So yeah.
Only one letter in the alphabet. Me a check and a Z.
M me a check because I'm money me a defend. You understand?
No, but seriously, how me get so dark? From me come from Jamaica, me just get dark, man, dark.
So yeah, we're just at the pizza store now, getting dinner
We not eat pizza
and lunch.
Diet.
I'll teeth a slice before I go home because I'm not at home.
No, you for crap. Edit me out to this video.
Are you done? After you eggs up yourself and I'm not editing it out. But my head tie needs to fix.
No man, never wear some bleach.
What if you see my head top?
Bleachers, tell me which other good bleach you use because I don't understand how me get a
We don't promote bleaching on this channel, okay? Black is beautiful.
Bleachers.
I wish I was dark skinned. Do you guys understand?
I hear me say now. Bleachers.
It's not cool to be light skinned sometimes.
You know, say me a browning, I make it so, I don't know why I got so dark, man. But kid, honestly,
Yes.
comment, like, subscribe, share. I believe the bleaching products below.
They're using regular bleaching stuff now. They're using stuff that like they put in hair, that they use on hair to bleach hair. That's what they're using to bleach their skin.
So you have to crap me out of this, man. This so ugly, man.
Are you dumb? Yes. Okay. Yes, baby. How can I help you? Huh? How was daycare today? Did you have fun? You had fun? Say, I'm cute. Come, look at me. Say, I'm cute. Look at me. Say, I'm cute. Yes, you are cute. Give me a high five. Yeah. Sean, say, I'm so cute. Say, I'm cute. You're cute. Okay. Say bye. Say bye-bye. My earpiece down me yard.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Oh, that's your earpiece right.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
What's up? It is Saturday, June the 25th. Me tired for hear about this idea, yeah. Okay, like I've been hearing about the 25th for so freaking long.
I think
Like,
the first time was from me.
no. And then you had your thing, and then I found out that Alkaline, you guys, Alkaline is in Toronto, and I can't see him because I'm so broke. Like, in real life, I'm so broke right now. Like, bills have me set away right now. So, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. We waiting for the train. We're gonna barbecue. Oh my god, you guys, my tripod just came apart. So, forgive me if there's no footage in the vlog.
So brief.
Look at this damn pigeon. The station. Move your blood. Yo, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, the train is gonna come soon and then it's gonna fly towards us. I'm like holding on to Fluffy. What? I don't want to see it. Oh my god.
And move.
Okay.
And then after it starts.
Then it's gonna come back when the train starts coming. I got you, bitch. I'm excited because I'm kind of hungry.
I thought I was gonna get a
We're really cute today, actually. We're both in shorts. This has never happened before.
I'm always in shorts.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
So look, skete. Here, Marie. So look,
Do you see
skete.
where my shorts reach compared
Your
to
daughter.
where yours is? Mine's longer.
Mine is only because my bum takes up most of it.
But mine's longer. Mine's at my knees.
What knees are gone? Look at the pigeon. The pigeon's getting on the train. So yeah, we're off to Mom's to barbecue again. By this time, you guys would have already seen the first barbecue vlog. So,
Well,
and then in a week's time, you guys will see. Well, in a week's time, it'll be Canada Day barbecue, the annual one that my mom has every year. So you know that one's gonna be turned up because I won't be working. DJ's gonna be outside. I know, so the food go turn up for that one.
where's Fluffy going?
Maybe you're coming to the barbecue, are you not? Like, you don't need an invitation for that one. You know the date of that one every year, July 1st every year. Yeah, I gotta get fireworks actually. Yeah, they're on fleekish a little bit.
A little bit. They're kind of fuzzy now.
Yeah, it's okay. Natural hair, don't care. When I put a little wand curls in mine, you know, I was feeling a little. What do you call it? Sultry, sensuous, a little sexy, a little. You know. I just want to take off my head, say, honest. I just want to tie down my ear like because you know, say natural hair don't agree.
It's gonna get cooler in the nighttime. So
Yeah, natural hair don't agree in a humidity as in me.
Oh, wow, look at you, around for life.
Yes, alright, I'm not bored. When we reach up on me, we'll link back up when Fluffy's cleaning the chicken.
No, I'm not.
And okay, so you're gonna like the grill?
I'm not doing anything.
Guess we ain't eating today. Bye. We direct. We back at Mom's. You know what I'm saying?
Saturday night.
Saturday, June 25th. So much things going on in the city.
Oh my goodness, my lotto ticket! It's like 9 o'clock. It's like 10 o'clock now.
Oh, I can take a picture at the same time? Shut up!
You're not. Are you recording really? And
Yeah.
you can still take pictures. Oh, that's cool.
That's so cool.
I didn't know that.
And you know, sometimes you look so cute when you're like recording and you're like, shoo, you want to stop and take a picture?
But you can't.
No, you don't.
Can't even see anything.
Hey, hold this. Hi.
You didn't even make me hold it properly. I thought you were just making me hold it for a second.
It's coming. It's like,
Is it on you?
yeah. It's like, actually, let me just better. Look at your face, like.
Doesn't look like it's getting anywhere. Not like the last
Looks
time.
like the light is actually coming up a little bit more. You can see it's a little bit more oranger.
Well, these burgers have been on this thing for an hour now.
You're boosting. Like, don't boost. flipper thingy? Where's the flippy thingy? The flippy thingy.
The flippy.
The spatula. Because some people just come off of the boat, them don't know off the chat.
Saying a fob. Yo, when I knew like what an actual fob was. It's not cooking. What are you flipping? They're still frozen. The burgers are still frozen. And she got flippers. Flipping what? You can still touch it.
It needs more fucking thing.
What? Fire?
Not even that.
Coal?
Like... What?
Coal?
Oh, I thought you said wool.
Whoa, man.
I was about to say what?
It's not even lit. No, it is. It still is. It still is.
Lit.
It's lit. Saturday night lit. Why you still on the tired?
I don't know. But they're on a grill. We still go sweat.
It's cooler now.
Not when the grill is gonna be going on and popping.
Is
Is
this girl look on and popping to you?
It's coming. Look at this.
Is it?
This smoke wasn't all there before. Okay, don't bright yourself.
On and popping like it's lit, like a Saturday night.
Mom. Anyways, let me do my outfit of the day, guys, because this grill is not on and popping just yet. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I gotta take off my tie head because I've been looking so cute today. So you know what I'm saying? This is not the shoes that I wanted to wear, though. You know what I'm saying? It's probably like a dent.
Oh, so flatter! So much flatter.
Really? Oh, sure.
Fluff it out a bit. Pick up the one off your face, even though it's curled up now too. You know that.
Right, so
out
you guys,
more.
Huh?
Out more. Are you trying to show your shoes too?
Not necessarily. So you guys, this is Brenda. Let me show you guys closer. This is Brenda.
Yes, the light. Yeah. That's the light. Okay. Let me switch.
Okay, so yeah, this is a Brenda.
Oh no, shit. Too much light. No, because when I was trying to go like all the way right here, but then the light's showing more. Yeah.
Talk about Brenda?
Nobody cares about Brenda.
Are you dumb? So yeah, anyways, you guys, this is Brenda. Brenda is 3 bundles of Brazilian hair. And yes, it's colored a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's colored. No! It's colored just a little bit. And then I have on these shorts that I got from Blue Notes. Yes, I wear these in Jamaica a lot, and I wear these here a lot.
Big bumper girl, give me life.
And then, and then I got my crop top from Sirens and whatever. And yeah,
Trying to take a picture with it too.
oh my god. So yeah, that's where my outfit is from, and that's my OOTD. How do I look? Leave a comment below. Thumbs up if y'all think I look.
Yo, these lights are bright when they catch this freaking camera.
Because the flash and the light.
Jeez. Yes.
And I just went in there to go and get this.
Whoa, you call me Tiffany.
Right, because it's serious right now.
No, not people that are close to me don't call me Tiffany. But people close to me don't call me Tiffany, so I'm not used to it.
Madam can just hear that name on the radio and she just go and get ready. Because every time you know we should know about Tiffany.
Hey, barbecue turn up. Look, pan the grill. Look, pan the grill. Then still nothing still not happen.
But it's way better than before. What do you mean? No, now it's actually better than before.
I hear it sizzling. So you guys, yes, look at the chicken. Yes, look at the chicken. Let's see. Back shot, some more you got. Extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, yo. What you say? What you say, Tiffany, when it's sweet, yo? Yay! You have fever in your punani? Done, you guys. Look on that. Me name that.
I think, yeah, I think that's gonna be it.
Oh, this song! Yeah, I know.
But I don't know like the whole thing. I just know like.
Oh, Lord.
You sing it every time.
Let's see how these older people like theirs. You finished both of them?
Chicken tastes good.
You're lying. Where's the rest of the chicken go? Who'd you give it to?
I just tried none of them. I just eat it.
Huh?
I just eat it.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. They love you on my YouTube channel, eh? When you were talking about daddy.
I heard you take on my picture when they got done food.
Yes, that's why I said that was the time when we were in the car. It was Mother's Day.
You have more chicken on there?
Yeah? Nope, I'm not giving you none.
You love me?
Huh? Why? Tell them why. Tell them why. Tell my subscribers why. Mom, I met one of the subscribers on my YouTube channel. They saw me on the bus. They were like, "Are you Zoisha?" I'm like, "Yeah." They're like, "I want you on YouTube." I was like, "Oh my god!" Hand. Oh, Jesus. Oh god. I don't really want to hold it with it though. I don't want it to take off the barbecue sauce. Oh god.
Diana's barbecue sauce.
No, there's no Diana.
Which one's this?
This is just the.
This one's good though.
Yeah, I mixed the two of them. The thing in the rib, the chicken in the rib, and
the one I tried.
The what is it? Brown sugar? Yeah.
This is a good one. I feel like I should have the can out here because like I'm ready for another one. Like, that's so good.
Y'all, honestly, this chicken is so good. Like, it's so good. It's so good and it's spicy and it's just so good. You know when something is so good?
Like so
have you ever had something so good? No, like, have you ever had something so good? Comment below what you ever had that was so, like
mouth watering. Oh, this looks so.
Woo, so good. Chase. It's home time. Barbecue done. We're going home.
My boss now come. Let's go.
Watch her. Like, she gets possessed. Like, what's your problem, Mom? We're grown. We're not kids.
No, but I need to go home. Zoe, to get some.
Oh my God, I don't need to come. Yeah, hello. Why you have to make the people them know where me live? You forget this is going upon the internet?
Ask a question.
Yeah, but you said the street name. All you have to say is you're going to your yard?
I didn't say yard. Go straight down.
You didn't say yard. That's what I'm saying. You should have said yard. Why are you saying the street where I live?
You know, go to that side, you know, you go to this side.
Mom, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you go this side.
Oh my gosh.
Now, what time you reach home today? No, 1 o'clock?
No, it doesn't take. It's not that bad.
Huh?
It's not that bad.
And you don't pick up off of the bus?
Yeah.
Where you live?
Mom, stop saying the names, okay? We do not need people knowing where we live. What is your problem? Do you not understand?
I said Mark.
What exactly? Why are you saying where she lives?
But no, I don't live at Markham.
I'm not editing it out either.
But I don't live at Markham, so no.
At Kennedy?
No.
Belmont?
No.
Oh, who's this?
No.
Say it in gypsy. Malapar kalapam? Kalapan na the P?
Elepeg Lilipin Telephone?
Alapar alapait. Oh, the poor Malapai Galapash. Well, if I could have put in the pin, you'll put the pay the part in the pin, the puff for the first place.
You could have put Malapart, Chile, put Malapai, Shalapop. Then a pen, you put Philippines, Philippines.
All the po, Shillapi will appeal, Billapi, the pair, Alapan for the pride of the pay. Alapai will appeal, the pot, you'll pull all apart to the poor of the pod.
You know that kind of talking?
I know it, but I don't know how to speak it.
My mom was the black shop after I left. Black shop? She was a black shop now, yeah? What's your name?
Marie.
Hey.
Her name is Marie. There's one for Marie in Jamaica, so them not necessarily have to know your mother. On the escalator. What? Listen, we're paying our fare, okay? Why are you always trying to get away? Why are you always trying to do some illegal stuff?
I'm Canadian.
Toronto Transit Commission.
I'm Canadian.
Lock her up. Here? And that's still not a reason not to pay your fare.
It doesn't matter. I work for it.
You work for what?
Yes, taxes.
You don't work for TTC.
Julia work for TT.
And so what does that have to do with you?
Well, I'm a part of his life.
And you're not his mom.
Grandmother.
You're not his mom though.
It doesn't matter.
Only Veronica should have those rights. Who are you?
Hola. Hola, na. She telling me this and telling me that.